So it is snowing. It's snowing sideways, and we have probably 5 inches so far, and it's wicked windy and drifting everywhere and whatnot. And I've done a few passes on the driveway so far. The 16, which has the plow on it right now, over there, has a dozer on it, and that's working good. And it's our first real snow so far this year, and so I'm going to be out tomorrow plowing and whatnot, and should be lots of fun. So stay tuned, because there should be some plowing videos up tomorrow, the 16th. So yeah, that's all.